Hi, I am Sayad, and you are watching my YouTube channel, Automotive Revolution. In this video I will tell you about the evolution of Toyota Starlet, from 1973 until 1999. The Toyota Starlet is a subcompact car manufactured by Toyota from 1973 until 1999. First generation, 1973 to 1978. Initially launched in April 1973 as the Toyota Publica Starlet SR two-door coupe. Generally the car looked like a shortened Corolla. The four-door sedan arrived in October 1973. The Starlet was offered with 1000 and 1200 cc engines with rear-wheel drive. Having 4-speed manual, 5-speed manual, and 2-speed automatic A20 Toyoglide. Second generation. The KP60 pre-facelift Toyota Starlet 3-door and 5-door hatchback was introduced in February 1978. Second-generation vehicles were offered a rear-wheel drive with 993 cc, 1166 cc, and 1290 cc engine having 4-speed manual, 5-speed manual, 3-speed automatic transmission. In 1980, the Starlet was facelifted to include square headlights. A second facelift followed in 1983 to incorporate a slant-nose front end and a new lower hatch opening. A longer 5-door wagon variant, also known as the van, was sold in Japan and certain Asian and European markets. The van arrived in October 1978, where it was equipped with the desmogged 3KC engine. Third generation, 1984 to December 1989. The P30 series of October 1984 saw the Starlet switch to front-wheel drive. With 999 cc, 1295 cc, and 1295 cc turbo petrol engine and 1453 cc diesel engine. Transmission offered were 4-speed manual, 5-speed manual, 3-speed automatic, and 4-speed automatic. 3-door and 5-door hatchbacks were offered, and a 3-door van for commercial use. The RI and Turbo R are the lightweight models designed for motorsports. Fourth generation. The Starlet 80 series was introduced to the Japanese market in December 1989 as 3- and 5-door hatchback with front-wheel drive having 999 cc, 1295 cc, 1331 cc. There were 4-speed manual, 5-speed manual, 3-speed automatic, 4-speed automatic transmission. A minor facelift occurred in January 1992, with all Japanese models gaining fuel injection and the discontinuation of the X variant. The second minor update was in May 1994 with new front end and tail lights. The full wide rear garnish was removed. Production in Japan ended in December 1995, but continued in Indonesia until March 1998. The last 80 series in Indonesia was marketed as the Fantastic Starlet, and nicknamed Turbo Look, with sporty bumpers, grille, and hood from the Japanese GI. Starlet GT Turbo is a high-performance model of the fourth-generation Starlet, first introduced in 1990, powered by a turbocharged version of a Toyota's E engine, the 4EFDE with a CT9 turbocharger. The first facelift GT Turbo received minor changes in January 1992 which included new bumpers and rear combination lamps. The second minor change was given in May 1994, this time with 4 round quad headlights combined with the mesh grille. Production of the car ended in December 1995. Fifth generation. Fifth generation offered 1295 cc, 1331 cc 4E turbo, and 1453 cc diesel engine, with 4/5 speed manual and 3/4 speed automatic transmission. Minor changes with new front bumpers, grille, tail lights and revised interior fabric were new for 1998 Japanese market models. Starlet 1.3 Remix SUV. The Starlet Remix came with rugged SUV style. It has over fenders, body cladding, roof rail, and spare tire mounted on the back. Starlet 1.3 Carat, more luxurious, 5-door. The Starlet Glanza is the sports version of the P90 generation Starlet. The Glanza S was powered by the naturally aspirated 1331 cc 4E FE and the Glanza V was powered by the turbocharged 1331 cc 4E FTE. In December 1996, the Glanza S Limited was released. Thanks for watching Automotive Revolution. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.